When a man is emotionally done, he shows these 9 signs. 1. He becomes quieter, not because he has nothing to say, but because he's tired of repeating himself. 2. He stops arguing. Silence feels safer than another fight. 3. He distances himself, not to hurt you, but to protect his peace. 4. He loses excitement. The things that once made him smile don't feel the same. 5. He stops explaining his feelings. He's tired of being misunderstood. 6. He forgives quickly, not out of weakness, but because he has no energy left for conflict. 7. He laughs less. The spark in his eyes slowly fades. 8. He works more or stays busy. Avoiding emotions feels easier than facing them. 9. He disconnects emotionally, not out of pride, but because he's already hurting inside.